Hello everyone, good day. Today I will talk about the importance of having culture heritage center in every city. A culture heritage center is a place where the history, tradition, and the culture of community preserve and share with people. It is where we can see important artifact and stories and memories from the past. These centers are very important because they help us understand our identity and remind us where we come from. Importance of Culture Heritage Center. Culture Heritage Center play important role in preserving the history of community. They collect historical object, picture, document, and other cultural materials that represent of tradition and experience of people in the past. Through this center, people can learn more about the history of their city, our country. It allows younger generation to understand how people lived before and what events shape our society today. Another important of benefits of culture heritage center is education. Student can visit the place to learn more about history in more interactive and meaningful way instead of just reading from book. Learn the stories behind them. Culture Heritage Center also help promote tourism. Many tourism are interested in visiting historical place to learn about the culture of a city. When tourists visit this place, they help support local business such as restaurant, shop, and transportation service. Because of the culture heritage, center can also contribute to the economic development of community. Example, in the Philippines there are many museum and heritage sites that preserve our history. The culture, this place display tradition, clothing, artwork, historical artifact, and other cultural materials. By visiting this place, people can be better understand the rich culture and historic story of the Philippine people. It is also help appreciate the sacrifice and achievement of our ancestor heritage center also remind us the culture and history should always be protected and respected. Personal contribute as a student I believe that also have a responsibility to help protect and support cultural heritage. One way we can do this by visiting museum and heritage center to learn more about our history. We can also share information about our culture with other through school activities and social media. Another way to by participating in cultural program, community event and activities that promote awareness about our heritage. Even simple actions such as respecting historical place and learning about our tradition can help preserve our cultural activity. In conclusion, cultural heritage center are very important because they help preserve history and educate people and promote culture and tourism. They help community remember their past and protect their tradition for the future generation. As a student, we should appreciate and support cultural heritage so that the history and cultural of communities will be continue to live on. Thank you.